Meaning of endpaper.
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 Endpaper. Endpaper refers to the sheets of paper that are glued to the inside covers of a hardcover book, often featuring a decorative design or colored pattern. These sheets serve to protect the book and provide an aesthetically pleasing transition between the cover and the pages. Endpapers can be single-colored or multicolored, and can even include maps or illustrations related to the book's contents. They are typically made from a thicker paper stock than the book's pages and are an important element in bookbinding that adds both practical and visual value to the finished product.